Got an email attachment with a ZP2 extension and your computer doesn't know what to do with it? ZoneAlarm renamed it to keep you safe from a potentially dangerous file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to safely handle these ZoneAlarm Mailsafe attachments. Consider this essential for your toolkit: a single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken ZP2. My top choices here, and we'll discuss more later. A ZP2 file is an email attachment that has been renamed by the ZoneAlarm Security Suite's Mailsafe feature. This happens when the software suspects the attachment might be harmful. Users search for this to understand why their file was changed and how to safely restore its original name and extension. The file's internal data is completely unchanged. The ZP2 extension is merely a label applied by ZoneAlarm to quarantine the file and prevent accidental execution. The design is a simple, non-destructive security measure, relying on file extension association to neutralize a potential threat until the user can verify its safety. The tool most commonly used for creating ZP2 files is ZoneAlarm Pro by Checkpoint Software Technologies Ltd. The proprietary indexing requires careful handling to avoid critical file system errors. Windows cannot display meaningful content, so specialized tools are needed to unlock or decode the file. To resolve the incompatible format issue, right-click the ZP2 file and choose Open With. Prioritize ZoneAlarm Pro if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a functional file claim. If your ZP2 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific ZP2 error occurs on most Windows systems. First, verifying sender trust. Before doing anything with a ZP2 file, confirm the sender's identity and that you were expecting this attachment. Contact the sender through a separate channel to verify they sent it. ZoneAlarm renamed this file because it could contain malware, so unsolicited ZP2 files should be deleted without restoration. Next, restoring original extension. Open ZoneAlarm and navigate to the Mailsafe quarantine area to see the original file extension. Manually rename the ZP2 file back to its original extension, such as .exe, .scr, or .vbs using Windows Explorer. Right-click the file, select Rename, and change the extension to match the original type. Finally, scanning before opening. After restoring the original extension, scan the file with multiple antivirus engines using virustotal.com or your installed security software before opening. Even if the scan comes back clean, exercise extreme caution with executable attachments. Open documents in protected view and never run unknown executables. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use File Magic, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.